If your dishwasher water is draining slowly, it's probably time to check out some simple fixes you can do yourself before calling a pro. So, first off, you gotta look at the air gap if your setup has one. That little thing near your sink sometimes gets clogged with food bits and gunk, which messes with the drainage. Just pop off the cover and give it a good clean with some warm water and a brush. Next, check the dishwasher drain hose under your sink. Make sure it's not kinked or squished. Those bends can totally slow down water flow. If it looks clogged, you can try flushing it out with hot water or a mix of baking soda and vinegar to clear any stubborn buildup. Also, make sure your garbage disposal is clear if your dishwasher drains into it. Run the disposal for a bit to break up anything stuck inside. Another tip is to run the dishwasher on the hottest cycle regularly to help keep the pipes clear. If you notice food particles hanging around inside the dishwasher filter, clean that out often too because it can block water from draining properly. Lastly, avoid overloading the dishwasher since that can cause water to pool and drain slower than it should. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their dishwasher drains slowly is ignoring the air gap or not knowing what it even is. Cleaning that solves a lot of problems right away. Another common issue is a clogged or kinked drain hose. People forget to check if the hose is bent or blocked, so straightening and cleaning it usually helps loads. Lastly, not running the garbage disposal before starting the dishwasher can lead to backups since food waste might be stuck in there, so always give it a quick grind before you run your dishwasher. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find local contractors who really know their stuff and have good reviews, making it easier to trust someone with your home repairs. Contractors also get a boost because the site connects them with real jobs in their area, so everyone wins without the hassle.